Pátio do Banco. Banco. So we're just gonna come on out. I'll show you where we are, and then we're gonna do this little patio. But this is a little angel street, basically. So you have this really beautiful little pedestrian street. It goes all the way up, and also goes all the way down the other direction as well. This one. So we're just gonna focus on this one, give you a little context, and then we're gonna come in here and just kind of show you this little alley. And it's a patio, so it has these little symbols right here. And I'll tell you about that in a moment as well. So stay tuned. Pátio do Banco. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, these little patios, they basically came about, I think this is like 1920s, I think. And you can see this Chinese roof right here. There's some other patios like Capoeira and some other ones. And basically what happened is they have the main street, well, this is a small side street, but they created these little patios where they have more housing that kind of basically makes a little community. So this is the Pátio Banco one, and it's kind of cool. You got some stuff back that way, and then you also got some stuff down this way. So let's just kind of go down both of them, and then we're gonna go back out to the front and just kind of check it all out, how it relates to the main street. So that's gonna be the end of it. There's actually a building right there. It looks like it kind of goes up to some. So let's go back down our patio. And then to the right, there's gonna be a restaurant. So we're just gonna go down that way as well. And we'll just kind of see how it all connects. I think it goes into this little a little patio space. It looks like that. So yeah, actually this one you can see, this kind of looks like that Chinese style. So you can see the rooftop right there, that little space up there. But then they also have a rooftop where there's actually people living up there as well. But you can see from the building. And this one too, this also has that kind of Chinese roof style right there. There's like 4 of them. So it's kind of a cool little area. So yeah, these little patios are basically like little communities. Yeah, and actually if you look all the way up, there's like other buildings way up in the distance as well. So we're gonna head back down, and then they can beautify them. So this one has some plants here. So we're gonna head back down, and we're gonna go back into our main street. Check out this one too. This is like that also has that Chinese roof right there as well. So this patio has a lot of traditional elements of the patio as well. So we're gonna come. I was hoping that this shrine would have some little gods and such. But anyways, we're gonna come out into this one, and I'm gonna just give you a little bit of a tour of what these little things look like. So we're gonna go out this way first. This is actually called Angel Street, and there's some other little becos like that go down. This one meanders quite a bit. It's kind of an interesting one. This one comes out to the main street. So so that little patio, there's several patios. Pátio do Banco is our focus one. And we're just gonna come out here real quick, and I just want to show you that there's some other little patios too. There's the San Francisco one here. So that one's a Banco. And there's somebody having cigarettes way down at the end of the alley there. And this is an alley. I have filmed in here before. And then this comes out to a main street. So this one is Rua de Campo, which is like Field Street. So this street, traditionally when Macau was being built, this would go up to the outside of the Macau gates. This is all reclaimed land. Way over there you can see Grand Lisboa Casino and Lisboa Casino. Okay, so we're going to head down our Angel Street. So this street right here is called Angel Street. Años, Travessa dos Años. And we're just gonna kind of give you a little view of what it looks like. But it's not our focus street. Our focus street is that little patio. And we're gonna look at that patio again as well, just from the outside. So there's our patio right there. So that's nice red and yellow painted as well. So yeah, kind of nice style. Yeah, if you know what that says, I'm kind of curious. Then we got a little tic-tac-toe right here too. Okay, so we're gonna. So yeah, let me know what that says up here. I think it's gonna be like a family name right there, like what this says right here, what that says right there, and what that says right there. So we're gonna walk down this little travessa. It's a nice, walkable, beautiful little area. And this kind of traverses a couple different ways. It connects Rua de Campo, the area that we were just at, up with another main street up there. And there's some other little alleys as well, restaurants as well. This is a little Travessa dos Años. This is still the same, and it goes up into the apartments up that way. The lighting is just about right as well. And look at this building right here. This has a very Chinese traditional element to it, with stained glass too, like kind of like the church. So we're gonna head down this way, and we'll go up here. And we're just gonna give you a little context of stuff, more than anything. And then we're gonna end it shortly. But there's some other little bancos like this one, a little Ufufu Cafe. Oh, that business is closed. There was one that was right here. Then this is that backside of that Chinese style building. Okay. Popcorn. Then you can still kind of see other patios and such as well. I think I'm going to conclude this one by just coming up towards the main stretch up here. You can see lots of little stuff everywhere. So that basically patio is like right in there, and that goes down to the Rua de Campo. And we're just going to come over this way ever so briefly. And I'm not going to film I'm not going to film this other street, because then I'm getting on another one. There's another kind of Chinese style. This is very popular right here. Very, very popular. This is another kind of Chinese style building with another little entranceway. And I think this is just basically a parking lot. But you can see the style. There's our patio kind of had this style of building as well, and then so did that one right there where the Ufufu was at, and then so did our little one as well. So let's walk a little bit further down, and then we're gonna come to a conclusion, come to an ending. And then this one would actually come out to there's kind of a main street down that way, and there's a Portuguese embassy, the consulate, bookstore, and such like that. So yeah, this is also Travessa dos Años, and yeah, the ending would go all the way down that way. So kind of a cool little space. And so we got a nice little patio and nice little street. It's called Año Street. So we're gonna come to an ending by coming back down, and then we're just going to find a nice spot with a nice angle of the crowds, capture this kind of pedestrian street, and then we're going to come to an ending. All right. So if you haven't been to Macau, this is Welcome to Macau. So that's a nice little ending spot right there. All right. So hope you like that one. This is another little side of Macau for you.
1个小时后来5点半。
There we go. Kind of wait for somebody to come up and be right in that scene right there, but. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.